Hi, it's Dr. Davis here. I'm going to show you a pathway to prescribing nature from the wonderful folks at PaRx. The evidence shows us that time in nature had physical and mental health benefits and that written prescriptions work better than verbal. So the PaRx embeddable form can be found here at the Hamilton Family Health Team Green Initiative webpage. If you scroll down, you'll find that we have embedded their PaRx prescription within 4 electronic medical records. So now I'm going to go into a patient file within my electronic medical record, and I will search for the PaRx prescription form. And then when I'm talking to a patient, I can go over this form. I remind them that 2 hours per week at 20-minute intervals at a time seem to give us the most benefit. And I remind them to try and engage their senses when they're outside. This helps us be mindful. And then I might make a note of what they want to do. So they could do gardening, they could sit on a park bench, they could go on a picnic. I suggest that they then read through the second page of the PaRx prescription. And in this second page, we've listed the benefits for adults and the benefits for kids. And I think that patients will find themselves in this list. And then going back to the bottom of page 1, the next step in the pathway is to log this prescription. So you'll see at the bottom of page 1, there is a unique provider code. This is the Hamilton Family Health Team's Green Initiative provider code. And then there is the date, which my EMR automatically puts in, and then I will input the patient's initials. I then usually message someone on my team to log this prescription at the PaRx website. So going to the PaRx website, at the top right, you see log your prescription. And I choose that I am a prescriber. And then I put in that unique code that I showed you on the prescription, the date and the initials, my email address, and log the prescription. I then suggest to patients to do the exact same thing, and they log their prescription as a patient. So the patient and the prescriber will now receive helpful follow-up emails from PaRx, and we're all eligible for prizes as well. If you want to get your own unique provider number from PaRx, go back into the website, click Prescriber, and if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see a Get It Started button, and you can get your own unique provider number if you'd like. So those are the pathways. That's it. Let's all get outside.